Your liver works hard every day to filter toxins and keep your body healthy. But sometimes, it needs a little help. Today, we're sharing 9 powerful drinks that can naturally detoxify your liver overnight, helping you wake up refreshed and energized. Stay tuned till the end for the best drink that experts swear by. The liver is responsible for processing toxins, metabolizing fats, and keeping your body in balance. However, an unhealthy diet, alcohol, and stress can overload it. Luckily, these 9 drinks can help cleanse and rejuvenate your liver while you sleep. 1. Warm lemon water. Lemon water is a classic detox drink. The citric acid helps stimulate bile production, flushing toxins from your liver. Drink it warm before bed for best results. 2. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants like catechins, green tea supports liver function by reducing inflammation and breaking down harmful fats. 3. Dandelion root tea. This herbal tea is a natural diuretic, helping your liver flush out toxins efficiently. Plus, it aids digestion and reduces bloating. 4. Cucumber mint water. Hydration is key to detoxification. Cucumber and mint add a refreshing boost, improving digestion and reducing toxin buildup in the liver. 5. Beetroot juice. Beets contain betaine, which protects the liver from damage and promotes detoxification by improving bile flow. 6. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that supports liver detoxification. Mix it with warm milk and black pepper to enhance absorption. 7. Apple cider vinegar detox drink. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in warm water helps balance pH levels, improve digestion, and stimulate liver function. 8. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera contains enzymes that promote liver detox and digestion. Drinking it before bed can help soothe inflammation and support gut health. 9. Ginger and lemon detox drink. Ginger and lemon work together to improve circulation, cleanse the liver, and reduce oxidative stress. Drink this before bedtime for a soothing detox. Drinking these natural detoxifiers before bed can do wonders for your liver. But remember, consistency is key. Try rotating these drinks throughout the week for the best results. Show a list of all 9 drinks for a quick recap. Which of these drinks will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.